are going to learn about the three important ways to write the arithmetic expression. They are called as the infix, prefix and postfix notation. These notations are useful in computer science, especially when we are working with the trees and the stacks. Moreover, these notations are closely related to the tree traversal, that is the pre-order, in-order and the post-order. Before that, let's understand what is the expression. Expression means it is a combination of numbers or variables and operator like plus, minus, multiplication, divide. And the numbers and variables are also called as the operands. That tells us how to do the calculation. For example, if I write A plus B into C, it means first we are going to multiply a B and C and then we add A in this case by using the board marks. Such type of form is called as an expression. Now might you ask, why do we have different ways of writing expression? The reason is very simple. In infix, sometimes it is confusing to decide which operation should be done first. For that we use brackets or follow operator priorities. Whereas the computer like the things very simple and clear. So for that we use prefix, postfix forms where the order is clear and we don't need any kind of bracket. Now let's see these three types one by one. The first type is infix notation. This is a normal way we write expression. In this case, the operator is written between the operands. Operand means variables or constants. We generally write the operator in between the variables and operator. For example, we have written this A plus B. The main characteristic of this one is it is human readable, means human find this easy to read. Moreover, in the infix, it requires the parenthesis to control the order of the operation. But this for the computer is tricky because brackets and operands have different priority. Next we have the prefix. Prefix is also called as the Polish notation. In this form, the operator comes before the operand. Means if I write A plus B as a human form, its prefixes, first we write the operator, then operand. Operand means variable or a constant. And in this case, we evaluate this. So first we have the operator that is in between of the next two operands. And the next we have the postfix, and it is also called as a reverse Polish notation. In this case, the operators are written after the operand. Means if we have the same form A plus B, so in this case the postfixes, first we will take the operand and then we write its operator. So these two forms are easy for the computer to evaluate using a stack and no brackets are needed in this case. Now let's learn how to write the prefix, postfix and infix from the given binary expression tree. Now the given binary tree we need to find its prefix, infix and postfix. Prefix means we need to visit this tree by pre-order. So first step is we will write the pre-order of this tree and that will provide the prefix of this binary tree. In this case, prefix can be written as, so first we will label the vertices. The first vertex is at the 0 level, then first, second, third. We can start it from the lower level subtrees, that is from the level of 2. So we have 4 vertices at the level of 2. So firstly, write the pre-order of these 4 subtree. For this case, it is a single root, we can write as it is. For the second case, pre-order is first visit at the root, then on the left child, then on the right child. For the third subtree, single root, For the fourth subtree, first write the root, then the left child, then the right child. Now move one level above. Now for the first subtree, root is negative and its left child is x, right child is this. So first we will write the root, then left child, then right child. So this completes the pre-order of this subtree. Now move towards the right side. So root is multiplication, that is the first, and then we visit to the left child, that is the y. On the right child we have this, that is a plus x2. Now move to the level 0. On the level 0 we have the root plus, then left child, then right child. So first visit at the root, left child, and this is the right child. So final prefix for this binary tree is this. Similarly, we can write the infix in this case. For infix, we need to visit this ordered rooted tree. For infix, we need to visit this ordered rooted tree by in order. For in order, first we visit on the left child, then root, then right child. So writing first for the level of 2, the left child does not exist, so we can take it root as it is, and there exists no right child. For the second subtree, left child is z, root is divide, and right child is 2. For the next subtree, there exists no left as well as a right child, so we can take directly root. For the next subtree, first take the left child, that is x, root is plus, and right child is 2. Now move one level above. For this subtree, left child is x, and we have already taken that. Then visit to the root, then right child is here. Then for the right side, we are getting this subtree. Apply the in order on this one. First left child, that is y, then root, and then right child. Now move back. The level is 0. On this case, we have only one root, that is a plus. Left child is this. Then visit to the root, then right child. This expression is human readable. What we need to do, for each subtree, we will put the bracket. Like in the first case, we have the subtree, put the bracket. Then this subtree, put the bracket. Here, bracket. Then again, put the bracket for the subtree. Then we have the subtree on the level of 1. So that is between these two 1. So put the bracket between these two 1. Similarly for the right side subtree, between these two 1. At last, we can evaluate this. So this is how human evaluate expression, and that is called as an infix expression. Now let's write the postfix for this case. For that we need to visit this tree by the post order. So in post order, we are writing first left, then right, and then root. So for this, first x is as it is because there exists no left and right child. For this subtree, first left child, that is z, right child 2, root, divide. For the next subtree, y as it is. For its next subtree, first write the left, then right, then root. Now move back with one level. Here we have two roots, negative and the multiplication. For this subtree, left is x and right is this. So after that we are going to visit at the root. So this is the left child of the negative. This is the right child of a negative, and then we are visiting at the root. For the right side of subtree, left child is y, right child is this, then we are visiting at the root. Now again move back and we have reached at the root. Apply the same concept. First visit on the left side, and on the left side we have this traversal. On the right side this traversal, and at last root. So this is the final postfix form of this binary tree. Remember that whenever we are working with the expressions, we always have ordered binary tree. Binary tree means exactly two children for each and every internal vertices.